Everyone, my name is Sohan Das and my roll number is 21CH10067.
Hello everyone, my name is Himditi Sandilya and my roll number is 21CH10027.
Hello everyone, I am Aditya Chakraborty. I am a first year undergrad student in IIT Kharagpur enrolled in the Department of Civil Engineering. My roll number is 21CE10004.
Hello everyone, I am Ogniva Mukhopadhyay. My roll number is 21CH10007.
My name is Orko Prabhu. My roll number is 21CH30007. In our fourth DIY assignment project, we, Team SHAARKs, is going to explain you all the detail of our project. So before we dive into our project, I would like to tell you about the motivation behind our project. In our country, it has become a very common thing that many wild animals sometimes stray into the nearby locality and causes a huge loss of crops and lives. So we came up with a solution that if wild animals entered into the locality, then people of that locality will get to know about that and they will be able to take some precautions which will reduce the loss like death of innocents and also the destroy of crops. So this is our main motivation behind this project. So this is the visualization of the real life model of our project. Here you can see there is one sensor, there is a tranquilizer and there is an alarm. As soon as the sensor will detect some motion, it will shoot the tranquilizer to the wild animals which will try to invade into the locality, and that tranquilizer will help to slow down that animal and it will not do any much destroy. And if in case the tranquilizer misses the shot, so we have include a alarm. Whenever the sensor will detect motion, the alarm will also start to ring. So whenever the villagers will hear that alarm, they will come to know about the invasion of wild animals. So they will take some precautions and will call to the nearby forest rangers officers. So they will, as soon as they will come to the locality, they will easily handle the situation, and so that's how we can reduce the death of the human lives, and also we can reduce the destroy of the crops.
The hardware requirements for our project include one Arduino Uno board, one breadboard, one PIR sensor, one piezo buzzer, one servo motor, one resistor, some LED lights, several connecting wires of various colors, and one push button.
Let's check the circuit and code. These two columns are for ground and power respectively. The signal pin of the PIR sensor is connected to pin 9 of the Arduino Uno. Similarly, the servo motor is connected to pin 7, the piezo buzzer to 8, and the push button to 2, along with other connections to ground and power. Let's see the code. First of all, a new variable called the PIR is initialized and taken input from the sensor. If the PIR detects motion, this set of commands is executed. The servo motor is initialized to 0 degree at the beginning. The piezo buzzer is turned on and servo motor is rotated to 30 degree. This set is repeated till the push button is pressed and the pin 2 reads 1. After the button is pressed, the buzzer is turned down and servo is back on 0 degree. The push of the button initiates this set of commands. The LED light lights up and then turn it off after 10 seconds. This is the code in text form.
Hello everyone, first Ognivo is going to show you the connections for the PIR sensor. We connect the rightmost terminal of the sensor to the ground on the breadboard, the middle terminal of the power to the power terminal of the breadboard, and the leftmost one to the 9th terminal of the Arduino Uno board.
Now Aditya is going to show the connections of the push button. So he connects the push buttons across the terminals. The bottom right end of the terminal of the push button has been connected to a resistor which can be seen, and the resistor other end has been grounded. The bottom left terminal of the push button will be connected to the Arduino Uno board, which has a power of 3.3 volts. and the top right terminal of the push button has been connected to terminal number 2 for the Arduino board.
Now Ogniva Mukhopadhyay is going to show you the connections for the PRO buzzer.
So here I have the negative terminal of the buzzer, which I will connect it to the ground terminal of the breadboard, and the red terminal, which is the power terminal, I will connect it to the terminal number 8 for the Arduino Uno.
Here we have the ground terminal of the servo motor. We connect it to ground on the Arduino Uno board. It is the rightmost terminal of the servo motor. We take the power line of the servo motor and connect it to 5 volt on the Arduino Uno board. Now we take the leftmost terminal of the servo motor or the orange line and connect it to terminal number 7 on the Arduino Uno board. Now Ogniva will show you some of the final connections.
So one end of the ground terminal of the breadboard I have connected to one end of the wire, and the other end I will connect it to the ground terminal of the Arduino. And now the power terminal of the breadboard will be connected to the 5 volt terminal of the Arduino Uno.
Finally, we will connect the Arduino Uno board to our laptop. And you can see the stats of the Arduino Uno, and that concludes our connections.
Now this is the demonstration part of our circuit. At first you can see that if I did a motion using my hand in front of the sensor, the buzzer starts buzzing and the servo motor is also activated. And then if I press this switch, you can see that the system goes into freeze mode and a green light glows up. This happens because according to our code, we have set a 10-second window during which the system goes into freeze mode and the sensor doesn't sense any motion. Now you would have heard the buzzer buzzing again because the 10-second window was over, but my hand was in front of the sensor doing some motion, therefore it got detected.
This was the overview of our final DIY assignment. Hope you like it. Thank you.